My Beloved Masters, composed by Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharti Goswami Maharaj. Shri Jagat Bandhu Bhakti Ranjan, neither a thief nor a donor. Shresht Are, Shri Jagat Bandhu Bhakti Ranjan, a disciple of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, paid for the entire construction of Shri Bagh Bajar Gaudiya Math in Kolkata. His contribution included the land, the temple area, the Kirtan hall and the rooms for Srila Prabhupada and his devotees. Following the completion of the math, the deities were brought on a chariot in a grand procession from the house Srila Prabhupada rented at 1 Ulta Danga Road. A 1-month festival of Hari Katha and Kirtan, which Sri Jagat Bandhu Prabhu also sponsored in full, was held to celebrate the math's inauguration. Each evening, various dignitaries were invited to speak. One evening during the festival, the invited speaker, a judge, mentioned in his address, Shri Jagat Bandhu Babu is a generous donor. The quite uneducated and illiterate Shri Jagat Bandhu Prabhu, who had never addressed any assembly before, and who at first had no intentions of doing so that day, requested Srila Prabhupada, the chairman of the assembly, for permission to speak. After Srila Prabhupada consented, Shri Jagat Bandhu Prabhu declared, "The respected judge is most certainly incapable of speaking untruths. Still, what he has said about me is incorrect and improper. I can only assume that his actual motive behind praising me was to encourage me in my service to Shri Hari, Guru and Vaishnavas. In reality, I can never be a donor. A donor is one who gives that which one owns to another. But what do I possess that I can give to others? Who am I to give anything in reality? I brought nothing with me when I came into this world, and I cannot take anything with me when I leave it. The only true donor in this world is Bhagwan. He has given me everything I have, not only wealth and property, but also this body, which included eyes, ears, a nose, a mouth, and so on. Whatever Bhagwan gives, he gives so it can be utilized in his service. Those who neglect to engage everything they have in the service of Bhagwan and instead use it for their own enjoyment are thieves. All I can say for myself is that I am not a thief. I am not a namak harami." Footnote: a person who is disloyal to those who maintain him. But at the same time, I am not a donor. I simply engage the wealth I have in the service of He who has given me that wealth. As a result of his association with elevated Vaishnavas who possess a service-centric disposition, Shri Jagat Bandhu Prabhu, who was otherwise completely uneducated, received the intelligence and conviction that everything belongs to Bhagwan and should be used in his service. I too hope to one day possess such intelligence. Srila Prabhupada's great Vaishnava. Srila Prabhupada was greatly pleased with Jagat Bandhu Prabhu's service, and he therefore bestowed his mercy on him by awarding him the title Shresht Arya. The word Shreshta means best, and the word Arya refers to a simple-hearted Brahmin who uses his simplicity in the service of Bhagwan. Therefore, the title Shresht Arya is a special designation signifying the best of the Brahmins who serve Bhagwan. Srila Prabhupada has written, "Simplicity is Vaishnavism." Because a person cannot be a Vaishnava without being simple-hearted, the title Shresht Arya indirectly refers to a great Vaishnava. This was the title bestowed upon Shri Jagat Bandhu Prabhu by Srila Prabhupada, his Guru Pad Padma, who was profoundly pleased with him. His disappearance. During the entire month-long inauguration festival of Shri Bagh Bajar Gaudiya Math, a ghee lamp remained lit in a glass lantern atop the temple spire. At the end of the festival, the glass lantern broke, extinguishing the flame. When Srila Prabhupada saw this, he ordered the brahmacharis to check on Shri Jagat Bandhu Prabhu in his home. When they reached there, they found that Shri Jagat Bandhu Prabhu had left his body. They returned to the mutt and reported back to Srila Prabhupada, who explained, Jagat Prabhu was supposed to leave this body 1 month ago, but I kept him here until the completion of the festival.